Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a board on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see few ideas. Then on the bottom, there's home, search, create, inbox, and saved. Under saved, you can see pins and boards. On your boards, you can find your boards. Now all you have to do is long press on the board that you want to delete, and you can see your options appearing. That's more and edit. Go to edit, then all you have to do is scroll down and find that delete board option at the end of your screen. Tap on it, then all you have to do is tap on delete forever. Then the board's gonna be deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a board on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.